finally got the car in the garage because the wrap is here. This is the color. I don't know how I feel about it, really, honestly. To be honest, I don't know. But we'll see. I mean, there's only one way to find out, I guess. I already bought the wrap. So, yeah, once I wrap it, I'll fix more like the body lines and everything. Because either way, I'm going to take things apart. I'll probably just set up a time lapse. I'll probably start with the hood and the fenders and see how it goes. I'm trying out a different brand. So, we'll see how it goes with this brand. Just by the texture, I mean, it is different from what I normally use. But we'll see. We'll see how it works out. So, let's get started. Finally got the final piece, somewhat, the grills. So I'm gonna put that on right now. Take them out. Let me remove this plastic. Just gonna line them up. You know what? I'm having trouble. There we go. And we're done.